Hi, my name is Brent. I'm here today talking about the radiation dangers of microwave ovens, and particularly their leaking. But first I'm going to talk not about how much the microwave oven is leaking, but I'm going to talk about the radio emissions coming off its microprocessor. So I'm going to take an ordinary AM radio, I'm going to set the dial to the bottom end of the AM band, and I'm going to show you how much AM radiation is coming off of the microprocessor in this microwave. So we'll just turn this on, bring it over closer to the microwave, screams like crazy. As you take it away, it gets to the background level of noise, and that's it, right? That's what's making the radiation. So we're going to put that down. The next thing we're going to talk about is the microwave radiation. So first we have shown you the AM radio coming off this, and this is broad spectrum. So the microprocessors in here put out a lot of AM radio radiation. This is a meter that checks the microwave radiation between 200 megahertz and 8 gigahertz. This is operating at 2.45 gigahertz. So I'm going to turn this on, and we're going to see what's the background in the room. And there's a pretty low background in the room. So I've got a cup of water here. I'm going to put this in here, turn this on, and what you're going to see is this meter peg at over 6 volts per meter right here standing next to this. So it's pegged the meter. The average power output right here is 25,000 microwatts per meter squared, and the volts per meter is pegged. So we'll stop that. So I want to explain to you why these microwave ovens leak so much. This is an ordinary piece of wire, got an alligator clip on the end. So this makes a great antenna. If you took a radio transmitter to this, you can make an antenna and set the right length. This is a piece of metal, a conductor, surrounded by free space. Okay, so this is why it makes such a great antenna. It's a piece of metal, conductor, surrounded by free space. In the gap of the microwave oven around the door, you've got the opposite of this. You have metal surrounding free space, right? So you have metal on both sides and free space in the middle. That's the slot, and it also makes an excellent antenna. So this is why this leaks so much. If you wanted to seal this up tightly on your own, you'd need something like this $100 roll of copper tape to go all the way around the door. First thing they tell you in engineering design when you're trying to build shielded enclosures is that lap joints, in other words, the kind of joints that go in the microwave, really don't work. So this leaks like crazy. Now, what about this, the levels here? This is off the safe range that the manufacturers of this particular meter have estimated as being safe, and it's something that I certainly don't want to be around or close to. To get this in the safe range, you need to move away, you move yourself away from the microwave. To make this go back to the safe range, you got to go out of the room, into the garage, and that's about how far away you have to get this in the safe range. If you like this sort of thing, come on out to lowemfcomputers.com, where we talk about leaking microwave ovens, EMF radiation, and living exuberantly all the time.